इंग्लिश बोलनी है कॉन्फिडेंटली। हाय, मैं हूँ आपकी इंग्लिश दीदी। चलो सीखते हैं रियल लाइफ इंग्लिश कॉन्वर्सेशन। Will AI take our jobs?
Hey Ria, did you see this ad? It's made completely by AI. Script, visuals, music, everything.
Yeah, I saw it this morning.
AI is popping up everywhere these days.
It freaked me out. If AI can do everything, why would companies even need us?
Come on, people were scared of computers to remember? I don't think AI is here to render us jobless. It's more like a tool to lighten the load.
Yeah, but computers didn't steal people's jobs in one viral video. Imagine robots or AI doing everything from driving cars to writing reports. Writers, designers, teachers, we're all walking on thin ice now.
You're right, it raises the stakes for sure. But think about history. Every big tech wave changed the job market. When computers arrived, some jobs vanished, but many new ones popped up.
That's true, but AI feels different. It learns and thinks, not just follows instructions. It's not just about machines replacing muscle, it's about replacing our brains. Doesn't that put a lot of people at risk?
It does make the game more challenging, but AI lacks human touch, empathy, creativity, and intuition. Those things machines can't mimic easily.
So you mean AI will take over the grunt work, but leave the creative and emotional parts to us?
Exactly. Think of AI as a powerful sidekick. It can handle the heavy lifting like data crunching or routine tasks, freeing us up to focus on problem solving and innovation.
We assume that all this extra free time would help us do amazing things, paint, invent, have hobbies, or just relax. But what are we actually doing? Just doom scrolling. We've become anxious, screen addicted, and more isolated than ever.
That's a real concern, and I totally agree with you. The dream has always been that technology would free up our time for creativity and fun. But it doesn't always work out that way. There are also risks like digital scams, deepfakes, even cyber warfare.
Exactly. If we're not careful, the potential for harm is huge. And what about people whose jobs are mostly routine? Like cashiers, assembly line workers, or coders? Open your eyes, Rohit. The writing's on the wall. If your job is repetitive, it'll probably be gone in a few years.
Some jobs will disappear. I won't lie, that terrifies me too. That's the bitter pill to swallow. But many will evolve. New job categories are emerging, like AI trainers, prompt engineers, ethics specialists, data curators, and digital well-being coaches. We just have to future-proof our skills.
Easy for you to say. You're tech savvy. I still ask Google how to convert PDF to Word.
And yet you post 8 stories a day with filters. Trust me, you'll survive. Lifelong learning is the name of the game.
Okay, so we'll be learning and upgrading ourselves forever, won't we? So depressing. Adapt or become irrelevant?
More like collaborate and shine.
Alright, time to update my resume and add prompt engineering to the skills section.
Go for it, and maybe ask ChatGPT to help you write it.
Important vocab और phrases देख लेते हैं। आपको क्या लगता है, एआई हमारी मदद करेगा या हमारी जगह ले लेगा? कमेंट में बताओ और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। बाय, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।